Alright, so for this tutorial and for further tutorials, I'm going to start using the in-command plugin. This plugin basically allows you to simulate running a script, but inside of the studio without actually running the game. I'll leave a link down below to the plugin in the description, so if you guys want to check that out. It's not free though; it costs 125 Robux. If you're actually serious about learning how to script and you want to get the plugin, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll be giving a free one free plugin to anyone that leaves a comment down below. So basically, printing is like a basic function in Roblox which allows you to display any given information to the output. The output is this thing right here. Okay, so for example, if I were to print "Hello World," you would see it in this output. As you can see here, "Hello World" this right here is considered a string because it's inside quotation marks. For printing, you can either put them under a single quotation marks or double quotation marks, and they'll work. Right. You can also print numbers like 2. If I were to print 2, it's gonna print 2, 3, and 4. Right. You can do addition inside of the print statement. So if I did 1 plus 1 right here, it's gonna give me 2 right there, as you can see. And if you want to print out raw like integer values or double values are values that have decimals. For example, 1.0, you can print out 1. Oh no, it just truncates it, I think. Doesn't print out. Nah. If I were to do a equals 1.03, I'd print out a. It should print out 1.3. If not, then yeah. So you can print out double values. It looks like you can't really print them out raw unless I'm tripping. Oh no, you can. The reason why I only print out 1 before is because 1.0 is 1, so it should print out 1.3 here, as you can see. Boom. Yeah. So I kind of just skipped to a different part. You can print out variables. You can store data in variables and print them out using the print statement. I already made a video on variables, but it was kind of like a rush video for people that don't want to waste too much time. But I'll make a better walkthrough, guide video like how I'm doing with the print statements for that variable video too soon. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I was saying, you can print out double values like decimal values, 1.5, right? And you can concatenate these values with string values. So if I were to type in hi, hey, I am, right? And let's say I wanted to say I'm 7 years old. You can literally just do it like this: I'm 7 years old, and then it'll print it out. Or let's say if you had the number 7 stored in a variable, right? You would have to do it like this. You can do age equals 7, right? And that stores the number 7 inside of the variable age. You can do hi, I am, and then you have to end the quotation marks right there. ... 7 or age. My bad. It's 2 dots, not 3 dots. Age ... or ... My bad. And then blank years old. You would have to make sure you add little spaces in am and add the spaces before years, and then you can print out, hey, I'm 7 years old as well. Another way that I concatenate strings with integers or numbers in general, I do this. I do hey, right? I am. Instead of using the 2 dots, I do this thing. I do the comma mark, right? And I do space and I do age. Space, age, space, comma, space, and then years old, right? If you do it this way, since you have the space between the comma and the age and the comma and the years, you don't have to put an extra space inside the actual string, like how we did with the other one. So if I were to print it out, see, it prints it out again, but hold on. Yeah, it prints it out again, see? Hey, I'm 7 years old. So yeah, printing can be very useful for debugging and stuff, and I suggest using it a lot when we get further into things like conditionals. It helps you know when where you are in your script if it doesn't print out an error. So yeah, that's basically what printing is.